Travel does not have to be costly. Stick with the video to the ending to find hacks and strategies for cheap flights, accommodations, and even how to generate some additional money to fund your journey. Flight, accommodation, food, and transportation account for 90% of your expenditures. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. This will help to make the channel more sustainable and will cost you nothing. Let's start with how to find affordable flight. There are several ways to save money on flights, but I will just discuss ones that I personally use. Number 1, always compare ticket rates on comparison websites, such as Fare Compare. This website is fantastic since it not only compares airline prices, but also car rental, hotels and accommodations, and so on. Number 2, have a flexible travel schedule. Always add 2 to 3 days in your travel itinerary. Number 3, if you are on a tight budget, avoid traveling during high seasons, such as June 1st to August 30th. April and May are good months for travel. Number 4, outbound flights on Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, with return flights on Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, or Thursday, tend to be the cheapest in and out flight combinations. Avoid flying on Friday and returning on Sunday can save you up to 20% on tickets. Cheaper destinations. While London may drain your bank account, Vietnam will have you living like a king. If staying on a budget and traveling for a longer period of time are priorities, consider visiting inexpensive nations. According to Forbes, the cheapest places to visit this year are Mexico, South Africa, Morocco, and Cambodia. Southeast Asia and South America on average will stretch your dollars further than Europe. Affordable accommodations. Accommodation can consume more than half of your vacation budget if you stay in hotels, experience resorts, or high-end restaurants. It may provide some Instagram-worthy cuisine and scenery, but it will drain your bank account. If you're traveling with family or friends, Airbnb and hostels are a great alternative. You can easily locate luxurious, comfy hostels that aren't too expensive. Stay for free. That's right, you can do more than just discover cheap lodging. You can even stay for free. Worldpackers allow you to stay in free hostels all around the globe in return for your abilities. You may obtain free accommodations at a hostel in return for helping their employees. If you are a skilled photographer, social media maven, or prepared to undertake hard labor. Similarly, Woof offers tourists lodging and board in return for volunteering on a local farm. In addition, Couchsurfing.com is a fantastic platform. Earn money while traveling. To make money, you may give your talents or abilities on Upwork, Fiverr, or similar platforms. However, most travelers, like myself, provide free photo shoots of the area in exchange for free nights. Alternatively, you would receive more than a 50% discount. However, it all depends on your ability and communication. Look for part-time work. I mostly worked as a server in restaurants or cafes, but I also worked for the hotel where I was staying. The greatest approach to get passive money is to sell your trip photos and films. There are several platforms for this, including Storybook, Pexel, Motion Array, and Envato. You may believe that blogging has died and that no one has time to read long, dull pieces. But that is not the case. Create a website and begin blogging. Simply said, transform your experiences into a beautiful piece of literature. This will not provide you with an immediate income, but you can expect a substantial revenue from your blogs in the long term. Transportation. Walking tours are always preferable because they are not only less expensive, but also provide a more in-depth exploration of the locations. If you must go from one city to another, always use public transportation, such as buses and trains. Do not underestimate hitchhiking, or lifting as it is often known. Simply wave and draw your thumb while walking. Food. Simply forgo Starbucks or other fancy coffee brands in favor of making a coffee at your hostel and filling a cup that will keep your coffee warm and fresh throughout the day. Take 2 meals every day, breakfast about 9 a.m. and dinner around 6 p.m. If you're hungry during a day, try some local street cuisine or grab a hot dog, omelette, or pancake. I usually keep 3 hard-boiled eggs on hand as a source of energy and protein. Final tip, by planning ahead of time, you may save for your trip. If you wish to continue traveling, examine your costs and eliminate everything unnecessary. That's it for now. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and clicking the like button. We'll see you at the next one.